Good morning. Today we're going to be learning how to divide by 8 and by 9. So for our first word problem, we have Kira and 8 of her friends made 63 paper airplanes. They will each take home an equal number. How many paper airplanes will each take home? So to figure that out, we need to be dividing 63 divided by 9. So one way we could solve 63 divided by 9 would be using counters. So we are going to take the 63 counters and put them into equal groups or 9 equal groups. And if we put them into 9 equal groups, they will look like this. So now we need to count and see how many counters are in each group. So let's count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since there are 7 counters in each group, that tells us that 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. Let's do 40 counters into 5 equal groups. So that would tell us that there are 8 in each group. A way that you could figure that out is you could count by 5s until you get to 40. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And you would have 8 fingers held up. Or you counted 8 fives. So 40 divided by 5, excuse me. So 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. What if we have 54 counters and 9 equal groups? How many do you think would be in each group? So we could count by 9s until we get to 54, or on a piece of paper, you could make 9 circles and then do 54 tallies or dots to show the 9 equal groups. So 54 divided by 9 is 6, because once you showed your work, you would have 6 in each group. What if we did 63 divided by 9? Another strategy we could do it without using counters would be repeated subtraction. So we are going to start over here with our total 63, and we are going to keep subtracting 9 until we get to 0. And then we're going to count how many times 9 is subtracted. So let's get started. 63 divided by 9, or 63 minus 9 is 54. 54 minus 9 is 45. 45 minus 9 is 36. 36 minus 9 is 27. 27 minus 9 is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And then 9 minus 9 is 0. So how many times did we subtract 9? We subtracted 9 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So that tells us that 63 divided by 9 is 7, or that each friend will take home 7 airplanes. Let's do 48 divided by 8. You can choose to either do repeated subtraction, you could do equal groups, or you could just know your facts. Or you could also know your multiplication facts and remember to solve division facts. So for this one, we have 48 divided by 8. So to figure that out, we could figure out 5 times what equals 40. So I'm going to count by 5s until I get to 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And that would be, I have 8 fingers up. So that tells me that if 5 times 8 is 40, 40 divided by 8 would be equal to 5. because remember, division and multiplication are related. And then for the unknown square, 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to what? Well, if you don't know that, think of some multiplication facts. 3 times what is equal to 27? I know that 3 times 9 is equal to 27. So that means that 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. And then 3 times 9 is equal to 27. For this last one, we have 48 divided by 8 is equal to what? Well, we can think of multiplication facts. We know that equal 48. So I know that 6 times what equals 48? Remember that this rhymes. I know that 6 times 8 is equal to 48. So therefore, 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. And then again, 6 times 8 is equal to 48. I hope this makes sense to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask for help. Have a great day.